Have you ever wondered why some people seem to navigate life's challenges with such ease and wisdom? It begins with discipline and knowledge. In the 12th chapter of Proverbs, we find a profound connection between discipline and knowledge. This ancient wisdom is as applicable today as it was thousands of years ago. In our fast-paced modern world, discipline takes on many forms. It's the commitment to manage our time effectively, the resilience to bounce back from setbacks, and the self-control to resist quick fixes and instant gratification. When we embrace discipline, we create space for knowledge to flourish. We open our minds to learning, questioning, and growing. This pursuit of knowledge is not just about facts and figures. It's about understanding the world, discerning truth from falsehood, and making wise decisions. In the end, it's not about how much we know, but how we use what we know. Indeed, in a world overflowing with information, disciplined knowledge becomes our compass. In our pursuit of success and happiness, the role of our intentions often gets overlooked. Yet the wisdom in Proverbs 12 tells us that it's those very intentions that can either attract favor or condemnation. Picture this: a good man, whose actions are rooted in kindness and empathy, obtains favor from the Lord. His decisions, like seeds sown in rich soil, bear the fruits of prosperity and peace. On the flip side, a man of evil devices, who operates from a place of deceit and manipulation, is condemned. His actions, like weeds in a garden, choke out the potential for growth and fulfillment. This timeless wisdom is as relevant today as it was thousands of years ago. Our intentions, whether they be good or evil, set the course for our lives. They shape our decisions, our actions, and ultimately our destinies. Remember, goodness is a magnet for favor and prosperity. Building a life of substance requires more than just material wealth. This is a timeless truth echoed in Proverbs 12, where it states, "No one is established by wickedness, but the root of the righteous will never be moved." It's a potent reminder in our fast-paced, success-driven world, where the lure of easy money, quick fixes, and shortcuts often tempts us. But let's pause for a moment and ponder. What does it mean to be established? It's not merely about gaining wealth or status. It's about building a life that is deeply rooted in values, a life that can weather the storms of uncertainty and change. This is where the righteousness comes in. Righteousness here represents strong moral foundations, the bedrock of character. It's about being upright, fair, and just in our dealings. In a world that's constantly shifting, it's these deep-rooted values that keep us steady, providing an anchor amidst the chaos. When we root our lives in righteousness, we build an unshakable foundation. In this age of independence, the value of a supportive partner is often underestimated. This brings us to a proverb that resonates even today: "An excellent wife is the crown of her husband, but she who brings shame is like rottenness in his bones." This isn't about gender roles, but about the role of a supportive, respectful partner in our lives. In the context of modern relationships, this highlights the importance of mutual respect, support, and appreciation. Our partners can either uplift us, acting as our crowns, or they can cause us to crumble from within, like a disease gnawing at our bones. It's crucial, then, to choose wisely, to cultivate relationships that are nurturing, and to be the kind of partner that adds value to our significant other's life. In the journey of life, having a good partner by your side can be your crowning glory. Remember, a good partner is a crown of honor and stability. In a world full of opinions, how do we discern the sound from the deceitful? The biblical proverb tells us that the thoughts of the righteous are just, while the advice of the wicked is deceitful. This wisdom illuminates the path to sound decision-making, seeking just and wise counsel. In the maze of life's complexities, it's easy to get lost or swayed by misleading advice. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. The voices that echo loudest aren't always the wisest. Instead, seek out the counsel of those who prioritize justice, integrity, and truth. Whether it's a personal dilemma, a professional crossroad, or a moral predicament, the power of just counsel can steer us towards the right path. It can help us navigate life's stormy seas with a compass that points unwaveringly towards fairness and righteousness. In the pursuit of truth, let us seek counsel that aligns with justice and righteousness. Words can be a weapon or a shield depending on how we wield them. Such is the profound wisdom drawn from the ancient proverb that tells us, "The words of the wicked lie in wait for blood, but the mouth of the upright delivers them." In today's world, words carry immense power. They can spark revolutions, mend broken hearts, or ignite wars. They're not just sounds or letters. They are the carriers of our thoughts, our beliefs, and our values. The proverb warns us of the wicked whose words are like hidden traps ready to harm the unsuspecting. These are the lies, the half-truths, the manipulations we encounter every day. They're the rumors spread to cause discord, the false promises made to deceive, the hurtful insults thrown to wound. But we have a choice. We can choose not to be a part of this deception. We can decide to speak truthfully, to use our words as a shield against the harm that false words can inflict. The proverb tells us that the mouth of the upright delivers them, meaning that truthful and kind words can protect us and others from the harm caused by deceit. In the age of social media and instant communication, our words travel faster and reach further than ever before. A single tweet, a simple text, or a brief comment can have a profound impact on people's lives. It's crucial then that we're mindful of the words we use, that we ensure they're rooted in truth and kindness. In our interactions, let's strive to use our words as a shield, defending ourselves and others from the harm that deception can cause. Let's dispel lies with truth, counter hate with love, and respond to cruelty with kindness. Remember, our words are powerful. They can build or destroy, heal or hurt, protect or harm. We have the choice to decide what our words will do. Let's choose wisely. Our words can protect us and others from harm when we choose to speak with truth and kindness.